Ether ETFs, a new dawn for crypto investors? The world of finance just got a jolt of digital energy. Ethereum, the blockchain platform known for smart contracts and decentralized applications, is now accessible through ETFs. Yes, you read that right. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has given the green light to not one, but 8 Ethereum ETFs. This is a watershed moment for crypto, marking a new era of mainstream acceptance and investment. For years, institutional investors have eyed cryptocurrencies with a mix of curiosity and caution. The regulatory ambiguity surrounding digital assets created a significant barrier to entry. However, the approval of Ether ETFs changes the game entirely. It provides a regulated, familiar avenue for traditional investors to gain exposure to Ethereum. This is akin to opening the floodgates, potentially channeling billions of dollars into the crypto market. This development has sent ripples of excitement through the financial world. Crypto enthusiasts are celebrating a hard-fought victory, while institutional investors are gearing up to explore this new asset class. The implications are far-reaching, potentially reshaping the landscape of both traditional and crypto markets. This is not just about a new investment product, it's about the convergence of two seemingly disparate worlds. The arrival of Ether ETFs signifies a broader shift in the financial landscape. It's a testament to the growing maturity and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. As we delve deeper into this development, we'll explore its potential to revolutionize how we invest and interact with digital assets. Buckle up because the ride has just begun. The SEC's green light, a turning point for Ethereum. The SEC's approval of Ether ETFs is not just another headline, it's a seismic shift in the regulatory landscape. For years, the SEC has maintained a cautious stance on cryptocurrencies, often delaying or rejecting applications for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This cautious approach stemmed from concerns about market manipulation, investor protection, and the overall volatility of the crypto market. However, the recent approval suggests a thawing in the SEC's stance towards Ethereum. This change of heart likely stems from several factors: Ethereum's underlying technology, its established use cases beyond just a store of value, and the growing demand from institutional investors all played a role in swaying the SEC's decision. The approval signals a growing recognition of Ethereum's legitimacy as an investable asset class. This regulatory green light opens the floodgates for a wave of new ETF applications. We can expect to see a surge in Ether ETF offerings from various asset managers in the coming months. This competition will likely lead to lower fees and greater accessibility for investors, further fueling the growth of the Ether ETF market. The SEC's approval is a watershed moment for Ethereum, propelling it further into the mainstream financial arena. This move not only legitimizes Ethereum as an investment, but also paves the way for greater institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies in the future. The ramifications of this decision will continue to unfold in the months and years to come, potentially reshaping the financial landscape as we know it. A Wall Street embraces Ethereum, a sign of things to come. The entry of Wall Street giants into the Ether ETF space is perhaps the most telling sign of Ethereum's growing acceptance. Financial behemoths like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Fidelity were among the first to file applications for Ether ETFs, signaling a strong institutional appetite for this burgeoning asset class. These institutions are not known for their risk appetite, so their embrace of Ethereum speaks volumes about its potential. The involvement of these major players brings a sense of legitimacy and stability to the crypto market. Their participation is likely to attract a wave of institutional investors who have been waiting on the sidelines for a regulated and familiar way to invest in Ethereum. This influx of institutional capital could have a profound impact on the price of Ethereum, potentially driving its value to new heights. However, it's not just about the price. The entry of Wall Street also brings with it a wealth of experience, expertise, and infrastructure. These institutions have sophisticated risk management systems, research capabilities, and a deep understanding of financial markets. Their involvement is likely to bring greater maturity and sophistication to the crypto market, potentially mitigating some of the volatility that has characterized it in the past. The embrace of Ethereum by Wall Street is a clear indication that cryptocurrencies are no longer a fringe asset class. It marks a significant step towards mainstream adoption and integration of digital assets into the traditional financial system. As more institutional investors dip their toes into the crypto waters, we can expect to see further innovation and growth in this exciting and rapidly evolving space. The arrival of Ether ETFs is not just a boon for institutional investors, it's a game changer for everyday investors as well. For many individuals, navigating the complexities of buying, storing, and securing cryptocurrencies can be daunting. ETFs provide a simplified and familiar way to gain exposure to Ethereum without the technical hurdles. Investing in an Ether ETF is as simple as buying any other stock or ETF through a brokerage account. Investors don't need to worry about setting up a crypto wallet, managing private keys, or navigating the intricacies of blockchain technology. This ease of access is crucial for attracting a wider range of investors, including those who were previously hesitant to delve into the crypto market. Furthermore, Ether ETFs offer investors diversification benefits. By investing in an ETF, individuals gain exposure to a basket of Ethereum holdings, reducing their risk compared to holding Ethereum directly. This diversification is particularly important in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, where prices can fluctuate dramatically. The availability of Ether ETFs democratizes access to the potential gains of the crypto market, making it easier for anyone to participate in this exciting asset class. This increased accessibility is likely to drive further adoption and growth of the crypto ecosystem, potentially bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of digital assets. The approval of Ether ETFs is not just an isolated event, it's a development with far-reaching implications for the entire crypto market. The positive sentiment generated by this regulatory milestone is likely to spill over to other cryptocurrencies, potentially boosting their prices and attracting new investors. This is particularly true for other altcoins with strong fundamentals and real-world use cases. Moreover, the success of Ether ETFs, along with the approval of a Bitcoin ETF in January 2024, could pave the way for the approval of other crypto-related ETFs. The SEC has been notoriously hesitant to approve a Bitcoin ETF, citing concerns about market manipulation. However, the approval of Ether and Bitcoin ETFs sets a precedent that could make it more difficult for the SEC to continue justifying its resistance to other crypto ETFs. Furthermore, the growing institutional adoption of Ethereum and Bitcoin through ETFs could lead to the development of new and innovative financial products and services within the crypto space. We could see the emergence of more sophisticated derivatives, lending platforms, and other financial instruments that cater to the needs of institutional investors. This increased institutional participation is likely to drive further innovation and growth in the crypto market. The approval of Ether and Bitcoin ETFs is a watershed moment for the entire crypto industry, signaling a growing acceptance and integration of digital assets into the traditional financial system. The approval of Ether ETFs marks a significant milestone in the journey of Ethereum, but it's certainly not the final destination. The future of Ethereum remains bright, with several exciting developments on the horizon that could further solidify its position as a leading blockchain platform. The Ethereum community continues to innovate, with ongoing work on scalability solutions, such as sharding, that aim to address the network's transaction throughput limitations. Moreover, the Ethereum ecosystem is constantly expanding, with new decentralized applications, dApps, and use cases emerging regularly. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and beyond, Ethereum continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. The growing adoption of Ethereum by both retail and institutional investors is likely to fuel further innovation and development within its ecosystem. As more developers, entrepreneurs, and investors flock to the platform, we can expect to see a surge in creativity and the emergence of groundbreaking applications that could revolutionize various industries. While the price of Ethereum may experience volatility in the short term, its long-term prospects remain incredibly promising. With its strong fundamentals, growing ecosystem, and increasing mainstream adoption, Ethereum is well positioned to continue its upward trajectory and solidify its place as a cornerstone of the decentralized future. The SEC's approval of Ether ETFs has undoubtedly shaken things up in the world of finance. It's a decision that has sparked excitement, debate, and a whole lot of speculation about the future of cryptocurrencies. Now it's your turn to weigh in on this momentous development. What are your thoughts on the SEC's decision to approve Ether ETFs? Do you believe it's a step in the right direction for the crypto industry? Or do you have concerns about potential risks and challenges? Will this move pave the way for greater mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies, or could it lead to unforeseen consequences? Furthermore, how do you see Ether ETFs impacting your own investment strategy? Are you considering adding them to your portfolio? What factors are you considering as you evaluate this new investment opportunity? The world of finance is evolving rapidly, and the arrival of Ether ETFs is just one chapter in the unfolding story of cryptocurrencies. Your insights and perspectives are invaluable as we navigate this exciting and uncharted territory together.